Hey there! Welcome back to the channel for the first episode in our Ironweld Great Cannon subseries. Today we'll unbox this amazing model and assemble some parts of the cannon. This massive artillery piece promises to be a lot of fun to paint. So let's fortify our position and expand our Hammerhau Aksha army. It's always nice to open a new model box and begin on a fresh project. This unit is no exception, and we can't wait to see what our model will look like once assembled and painted using the non-metallic metal technique. The Ironweld Great Cannons are artillery units from the Ironweld Arsenal and are considered the gatehouse of the Castellite formations used by the forces of the Cities of Sigmar. They are designed to achieve an optimal balance of rapid loading and substantial firepower. The cannons are equipped with a breech loading system operated by a winch arm, and their elevation angle is adjusted using a lever and cog mechanism, where interlocking gears transfer rotational motion to enhance both range and impact. Once positioned, the cannons are secured using robust leather and iron harnesses. Foldable hinged shields flank the front of the cannon's chassis, while a gargoyle-tip projection at the front serves as a battering ram in dire situations. Following the instruction booklet, we'll use a pair of plastic cutters to detach the components from their frame and a craft knife to remove mold lines and clean up each part. This multi-part plastic kit allows you to assemble an Ironweld Great Cannon, a formidable war machine used by the Cities of Sigmar. The massive cannon is set in a robust, wheeled wooden frame, equipped with a winch arm and secured by chains, ropes, and hammered posts. The Great Cannon is operated by two artillerists from the Ironweld Arsenal, each offering different options for their poses, heads, and arms, so you can create a diverse array of powerful guns in your army. The kit also includes numerous optional basing elements for customizing your Great Cannon, such as a spare taper, stacked ammunition, a discarded hammer, and loose rounds representing 3 specialized payloads: cannonball, armor-piercing shell, and grape shot. This set consists of 61 plastic pieces and comes with a Citadel 90mm round base. Additionally, it includes a Cities of Sigmar transfer sheet with 410 free city icons, Sigmarite cult symbols, and other heraldic designs. We'll now assemble the model, making sure to perform dry fits before gluing the parts together. We'll use Citadel plastic glue for the assembly of our cannon. Ironweld Great Cannons are central to the Castellite battle line, serving as anchors, rallying points, and logistical foundations for the army, effectively functioning as the gatehouses of the Castellite wall. Multiple cannons can be grouped together, with wing shields aligned and crews working in concert, enabling them to unleash firepower capable of shattering stampedes of megafauna or hordes of charging aurochs. The Great Cannons are operated by steadfast and resolute men and women who, after extensive training, are capable of reloading the cannons even in complete darkness. The crews carry tools and sidearms to protect themselves in the event that their positions are compromised. All ammunition is marked with litanies, Sigmarite maxims, and banishment sigils copied from Lithisian parchment. Though primarily symbolic, these inscriptions enhance their effectiveness against demons and geists. The engineers of Ironweld have created a variety of ammunition for the cannon. This includes standard cannonballs, armor-piercing shells for tougher targets, and grape shot cylinders designed to devastate clustered foes, making them particularly effective against Skaven and grots. Here we use super glue to melt the plastic and fill the small gaps. We'll later use our craft knife and a craft file to level the excess of glue. Our model is slowly taking shape. After cleaning each part, we take the time to test the alignment of the pieces before gluing them together. You may want to wait before gluing the cannon on its frame. This would make it easier to paint all the surfaces of the model. Once the plastic glue has hardened, it can easily be leveled to achieve smooth surfaces. We won't glue the anchors to the frame right away. We'll paint them first to make it easier to handle the parts. The anchors only have a small attachment point on the model, and it would be easy to snag them off when we paint the whole thing. The same is also true for the mechanism lever. We'll paint it separately before gluing it to the cannon. On the other hand, we'll assemble the hinges that lock the cannon to the frame in order to paint the entire assembly as a whole. The thick foldable shields are an impressive design that make this model so distinctive. They are the last parts we need to assemble to complete the model. They will be painted separately to allow easy access to the details on the back. We hope you enjoyed this unboxing and assembling session. If you did, we'd really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be notified when our next videos are released. In the next episode of this sub-series, we'll be assembling the 2 artillerists and other decorative elements of this kit. We'll also be using green stuff epoxy putty and a textured rolling pin to create a custom base. If you ever need hobby tools, paint or Warhammer models, check out Fenris Workshop's website. You'll find the link and more details in the video description. We can't wait to paint this model, especially with its intricate ornaments like the gargoyle head at the front. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy gaming, and take care!